Hello. Hi,
Hello,
Lily.
teacher.
Good afternoon. Oh, can you wait me a
Good
moment?
afternoon.
Wait a moment, please. Okay, it's okay now. Okay, wait. So let's start with the lesson today. Lesson this one. Can you see the book, Lily?
Yes, I can.
Yesterday, our lesson is the activity number 9. Is this one? Okay, so work in groups and express your opinion. Okay, so we are going to share something. For example, looking at my grandfather's old photos is really cool. This is the example. Looking at old photos. Now, you are you are going to make a sentences using the phrases in the box. Okay. Now, here, me first. Making art is my favorite thing to do in my free time. How about you, Lily?
Um, Listening to stories is my grandparents' favorite activity.
Okay, favorite activity. Okay, my turn. Mm, Singing traditional song is my favorite thing to do. It's your turn. How about you?
Um, Making art is my favorite. My brother likes making art.
Okay, my brother likes making art. Okay, that's correct. So we are finished. Thank you so much, Lily. So we are finished with the activity number 9. Okay, let's go to the activity number 10. Okay, you can see pick some pictures there. So let's read and write. Let's read the word first, Lily. This one. Oh, ba nagklase ko ba? Dito pala. Okay, what is the first word? Handcrafted. Okay, so this handcrafted. This is handcrafted, okay? Handcrafted. Next, sculpture, embroidery, pottery, and jewelry making. Now, let's answer this. Okay. Number 1, Lily. Number 1.
Um, when a work of art is made by hand, we say it's handcrafted.
Okay, number 1, the answer is handwriting. Okay, number 2.
People use people use use I don't know.
Okay, this one is embroidery. Okay, number 2 is embroidery. Number 3, number 3.
Is made from stick become head. Sculpture.
Okay, this one is sculpture. Here.
雕塑
Okay, sculpture is correct. 雕塑. Number 4.
Number 4. To make a pottery.
Oh, no, sorry. What is your answer in number 3? Sculpture? Right? No, it's wrong. Sorry, I forgot. This one is pottery. Number 3 is pottery. Sorry, I forgot. Okay, pottery. Number 4. Ano nag-message? To make artists can use materials such as a wood, stone, metal, or ice. What is this? Wait lang. Ay. Okay, number 4, your answer?
Number 4. To make a self portrait.
Okay. So to make so the answer for number 4 is sculpture. Yeah, sculpture. To make a sculpture, artists can use materials such as a wood, stone, metal, or ice. So this one in the picture is a sculpture of an animal. Number 5.
Number 5 is making.
Okay, this one, jewelry making. Okay, jewelry making.
珠宝制作
Do you wear bracelets, Lily? Do you wear bracelets, Lily?
Yes.
What? Oh, it's so colorful. Do you like bracelets or necklace? What do you like?
I like
Okay. Oh, okay. This one, you read your answer in English. Okay, please read. I like
I
simple,
like simple, cheap, beautiful, and at clean
okay.
things. I don't like to buy expensive things, and the school doesn't allow me to buy them.
Oh, yeah, it is not allowed in school. Oh, okay. So the answer is correct. So jewelry making. So again, we have handcrafted. You make it with your hands. So it is very special. Number 2, people use embroidery to make clothes more beautiful. So they put like flower embroidery on t-shirts and different kind of clothes. Okay, so we are done with that. Next is pottery. So the vase, the what else? The plates, yeah, the dishes, the bowls. Sometimes it's made of clay or pottery. Next is sculpture. Okay, sculpture is making things like you can make animals, you can make a person in the sculpture using a wood, stone, or ice. And then jewelry making. Do you have a question in this activity, Lily?
Um, yes, no, I don't have any question.
Okay, no question for the words in handcrafted, sculpture, embroidery, pottery, and jewelry making. Okay, finish with this. Let's go to the number 12, the grammar. Please read in the yellow box. What's in there? Okay, read it. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, let's continue. Please read the grammar. Lily, grammar. Okay, my friends are, Lily, please read this one in the box.
My friends are good at making jewelry. Jewelry. I like eating traditional
Dish-
foods. My mother enjoys embroidering clothes. Embroidering clothes. I'm interested in learning about new places.
Okay, I'm interested in learning about new places. Now, complete the sentences. Lily, number 1. Young people today are very interested in what's the answer? Lily, what is your answer?
Uh,
Young people are very interested in
Young people today are very interested in storytelling in their TV shows.
Okay, number 1, the answer is very interested in this one. Sharing. So, sharing their traditions. Number 2. Number 2. I'm very excited.
I'm very excited about storytelling to the country of my grandparents.
I'm very excited about this one is passing. I'm very excited about passing to the country of my grandparents. 3.
I'm very
Okay, this one in Chinese. Okay, 3.
Oh, okay. I'm very excited about passing to the country of my grandparents.
Yeah. 3.
Do you like storytelling? Storytells like like reading down their tradition.
Okay, so do you like storytelling? So number 3 is storytelling. Storytellers like
Story like training.
traveling. Okay.
Yes,
4.
traveling.
4. I enjoy.
I enjoy making tradition jewelry.
I enjoy making is correct. Okay, 5. 5.
We are save our rich history by cooperating with people from tradition communities.
Communities. Okay, so this one is we can save our rich history by cooperating with people from traditional communities. This one. You see it? Okay. So that is the end of our activity for this afternoon, Lily. So I hope you learned from our lesson today about what are the words that we learned today, Lily? So first, we have embroidery. Okay, what else? Embroidery. What is next? Lily, what words do you remember? Embroidery, pottery. What else? Lily, there are five words that we learned today. Embroidery, pottery, sculpture, what else? Jewelry making. Mhm. Jewelry making. And then what's next? Handcrafted. Okay, so these are the words that do you see my message in chat box? You see it? Lily? Hello?
Hello.
Can you please read the words again in chat box? Embroidery, ready, go. Embroidery,
In battery, pottery, factory,
jewelry making.
jewelry making,
Mhm.
handcrafted.
Yes, okay. That's all for today's lesson, Lily. It's time to say goodbye now. Bye-bye. Thank you. Good day.
Bye.
Bye.